Hey, so basically what I'm about to do is I want to put a wig on, but I had these braids in for so long and they're old as fuck, like come on, they old. And as you can see, like my new growth is like crazy. You can't even see the parts anymore. I'm gonna wear one of my wigs, so I'm gonna cut these. Psych. I hope you guys can see because I rock out like this. Alright, so now that I cut those, this is cute. This is cute. Okay, I'm gonna tuck these little pieces behind my ears. The scrunchie just like this at the bottom. Help hold down the bulk. I'm gonna get some gel. Take my brush. I didn't bleach the knots on the wig that I'm gonna put on. I'm gonna show y'all in a little bit. But I didn't bleach the knots, so. I made this unit, it's 16 and 18 inches. I didn't want it that long, so I just made it. But I don't want to take the wig off, like I don't want it to slide off. Sometimes I have that issue. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sew it on. So get you a needle and a thread, needle and a thread. Gotta get all these little hairs from up in there. Little baby hairs. It will take away from it looking natural. Now for me, it looks, we're good on that. And this is what it looks like without you know, without any glue or anything. My closures start from right here to right here. Closures start right here. So right here, I can't, like, you know, I can't pull it back. I could like put it behind my ear if I wanted to, but I probably won't do that anyway. So I'm gonna clip my hair up so I can sew this down. I'm gonna go through, you should be able to see this elastic part of the wig, and I'm gonna go through my braid. That's how I'm gonna sew it down. Super secure. Wig should be secured. Now the front will move so I can adjust it, but for the most part, I should be good. For your weave, you should always use a paddle brush. It's way better than using a comb, unless you're doing something very tedious, like parting or anything like that. But So wait, so I don't think I'm gonna glue this. I think I'm just gonna keep it like this. Now, this is like how it naturally dried, but when you have raw virgin hair, like none of the bundles are exactly the same. Like some of the textures are close, but like you see this side is more straight and this side is curly. I mean, when you're dealing with real raw hair, like I'd rather deal with that. It just has its own like identity, so it's okay. When I wet it, the straight hair get wavy too. So I guess we're done here. Show you my parting. Again, I didn't bleach my nuts. So I end up inserting pictures after I styled and curled my hair. I hope you guys love it. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll have more videos coming soon. Bye.